How and when humankind actually came up with the idea to make glass is not known, but glass beads and other artifacts definitely manufactured by humans have been dated to about 5,000 years back. Glass is a slightly odd material, since it is not built up by crystals like ice or sugar and metals, but glass is instead an amorphous material. This means that glass does not melt at a specific temperature, but it simply becomes more and more fluid the higher the temperature. And once it is soft enough, like syrup or honey, it can be shaped freely. And then, once cold again, it is hard and it is solid. And then also it can be made colorless, transparent, or colored or opaque. Basically, glass is very simple to produce. Just mix sand with fuel ash and then melt it. Depending on the proportions of sand and ash and on the origin of the ashes, it will be more or less difficult to melt it and to shape it. For a manual shaping and glass blowing, you want to have a glass with a wide working range, while automatic and rapid production makes a narrow span of working temperatures desirable. The main raw materials are sand, which is silica oxide or quartz, limestone, calcium oxide, and soda, which is sodium carbonate. To these three are then added other substances to render the finished glass the desired properties. Some of these additives have historically been lead and arsenic, both of which are responsible for the fact that the surrounding around glassworks is often heavily contaminated. Until the 1970s, did each and every glasswork mix their own batch from the raw materials, but today they all buy ready-made pellets from Glasma in Emmaboda. Glasma has a collection of recipes so that each glasswork still gets their own quality, but this centralized handling, has radically improved the working environment for the glass workers.